we should be giving ourselves grace, not excuses. Because I started discovering that and discovering, okay, I'm addressing these issues that I have, because we all got them, emotional issues. Why do I respond the way I do? And this is not something that you just find out and that's it in your story. It's something you continuously have to do, right?
It's a
But
lot of
when I
work.
started becoming aware of, okay, this is why the way I am, and I asked my husband, why am I the way I am? Let me take a look at that a little bit. When I started doing that, it was really helpful because I started to see in other people mirroring some things that I would see in myself. So you can probably see why this passion of blue collar leadership, why I was passionate about that for the people that I work with, because I could see the difference that it makes in my personal life, mindfulness and being aware. And when I see those same pattern behaviors that I recognize, instead of labeling it as, oh, they're just this, or they're just lazy, or they don't want to work, or all these negative things, everybody has a story.